We really need to develop a different type of thinking, because it's only in that way that we're going to solve increasing social and economic problems. We talk more to boxes and screens than we do to one another. So it's not surprising that loneliness, depression and social isolation are considered the global epidemic of our times. I work with leaders to help people to think differently so that they can really feel like this is a collective goal. We have to do this together. We need to raise our collective intelligence to manage increasing social and economic problems. Both my parents were very lucky to escape the Holocaust. My grandmother, Slava Horowitz-Dodig, invented the very first foldable umbrella. I don't think anything happens by accident, and I feel a huge responsibility to contribute back. We have to step up. We urgently need to nurture the attributes of human beings that set us apart from machines. Love, compassion, creativity, empathy, courage, determination. I help people to find their voice, their sense of meaning and purpose, to unlock their full creative potential.
Why do the birds sing? Do they sing because they're free, or are they free because they sing?
My mission is to change the world, one voice at a time.
When we sing together, not only do we breathe together, but our hearts start to beat together and we share a common language.
Everyone's looking for meaning and purpose and a sense that they matter and that their ideas can contribute.
But our greatest gains as human beings are when we connect with people who are very different from us. And that is when true creativity and innovation can spark.
I founded 6 businesses and 3 charities. So I think my secret sauce is helping organisations to really encourage their employees to open their hearts, to engage, to find their creativity, to unlock their innovation, their intuition, their imagination, the right side of their brain capabilities.
The best thing to get creative is what I like to call positive human collisions. Connecting with people on a regular basis who are really different. Where people are not left behind, where even if we can't keep up with the pace of change, we feel a sense of community and a sense of family when we come together.
We have to act now, because the future is here, and a lot of human beings and organisations are failing to keep up with the pace of change.
Will the speed of our lives and the interconnectedness we have make us more or less socially isolated? It is all about building bridges of understanding, not walls and boxes between us.
So I wish for a world where success is measured not by what we get, but by what we give. It's imperative that we raise our human intelligence and our collective consciousness. That's what's going to help us to manage the change that's occurring so rapidly.
I want to ask you, what sort of world do you want to live in? What will matter? What will our roles be?